up early, got my eyes on the chart. Every tick's a chance, playing smart from the start. Discipline's my weapon, got the mindset to rise. In the game of momentum, I'm aiming for the prize.
Good morning everyone, how are you doing? How is your weekend? Everything good? Okay. Morning, mate. Can you see the screen, guys? No audio. Really? Come on. Can you hear me? Perfect. I don't know what happened sometimes. Yeah. Let's see. Wait. Just 1 second to organize here. I think it's okay. There we go, now everyone can hear me. Great. And you can see the screen as well. Oh, perfect. Perfect. So Euro USD weekly time frame, that's the first thing you do every start of the week. The structure being the same. The most recently break-off structure was this one, so you need to take that in consideration. You need to take that in consideration. The market still remains bullish. Every single low being respect, and every single high being taken out. So good thing. Now let's go to the daily. Let's just put this was the weekly. And on the daily, still bullish too. Great. So now you can start looking for liquidities and where is the market should be attracted to. First thing first, you can do previous daily high, previous daily low. The previous daily high already been taken out, great. We should see a reversal here on the low time frame. So if you go to the 4 hour, you can see why the market drops. It just swept a strong liquidity. Right, so this order block being respect twice already. Third time I'm gonna take it out, because every time the market taps into a level in respect, if it taps that more than once, as you can see, first tap was just sniper and drops, second time's a bit higher, and that's gonna start losing power, this level here, this order block. So during the week, probably, I'm not sure it's gonna be today, but we'll see that levels taken out, because it will, the money starts to get out from that level. Right, so let's go to 1 hour. Let's see, Asia. This previous daily low, it was 10 o'clock, is not really a previous daily low. That's when the market closed. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move that to these equal lows on the previous Asia session on Friday. So that's where the market should be attracted to at the moment, as the market already swept the previous daily high. So, and you can see that's the move happens and where the market should be attracted to, these lows. Perfect. Well, you can see here more. If you go to 4 hour once again, you can see a rejection block. You can see this tap into the week, so I'm gonna mark, but where it is, there we go. Go back to 1 hour. I'm gonna take this to here. So you have Asia trending, swept liquidity, break of structure, even on the 4-hour.
This is a reminder.
Next stop.
I'll check the news before any decision.
There's no news today, Alex. Yeah, today is no news, guys. So yeah. So market swept liquidity, also a strong liquidity, that previous daily low, previous daily high, sorry, and then break structure just here, as you can see, just there. Structure being break, perfect. So that's where I think the market should be attracted to that levels here, and that's the level I want to target. So now, let's see. They also swept this one. That's okay. Let's mark them too. Okay, half an hour for London Open. What I can expect in here, as most people already trade this pair, and expect the Asia swept to the downside and push high to take the Asian high, and that's completely normal because the market remains bullish and that can happen. But as the Asia, as you can see, this Asia is trending, the market's not able to take Asia low, and this can happen today as well. Let's see how many pips. It's 29, 26. It's not much. It's not much. I was expecting more, but that's okay. But it's trending anyway. So let's see a few examples. As the same here, when Asia's trending, the market's not able to take the Asia low. So in this case, Asia trending to the downside. So no news, nothing today. So yeah, can be possible, but I don't believe the market gonna push all that high today. Okay, only if swept the previous daily low. If it swept the previous daily low, now the market have a reason to push high. Liquidity on both sides. It's breaking again. How do you? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, perfect. It swept liquidity on both sides, which would be more viable if the candle contrasts to the bearish IPAOE and also indicate the bullish break of stocks. Yeah. So when Asia trends, like when Asia is trending, you can expect the market swept both sides like this, both sides. Okay, when it's trending, okay, even to the downside or to the upside. You can expect this happen, okay? Can happen, but I'm never expect that. So when Asia trending, like moves directly to the downside, the only reason the market can push high now if swept a strong liquidity, the same way the market swept this previous daily high. If the market sweep the previous daily low, you can expect now the market go back to the bullish market, if that makes sense, right? only if is that happen. If is the market don't swap the previous daily low, I will keep trying to target the previous daily low, okay, because it's gonna be the most powerful liquidity still open, because the previous daily high already taken out. As today, no news, nothing, so the market should not move as much. Only if Trump do something, only if it's talk or do some shit, that's something is gonna happen. Otherwise, the market will be attracted to the previous daily low, because already take the previous daily high. If is that makes sense. If it's not, just ask more questions. Great. So this is, there it comes. So now, okay, beautiful. And that level was very predictable to do it, because you have the 1, 2, 3, so yeah, it's predictable, but that happens. Okay, Asia's taken out. Let's see if London can swap the previous daily low. That's what you want to expect it. And from that, let's see here. From that, you can expect something is quite far. It's quite far, but you're gonna mark this one here first. You're gonna mark this one first. That's the market can be respect, because you can see the break of structure happens here. Just there. There we go. So you are between this range. So everything inside, you already know, is internal range. Only one there is a 4-hour rejection block IPA in Asia middle. Could it be a, yeah, can be that level here we're talking about. Yeah, that's where I marked them out. So you have this IPA and also the middle line. That's the perfect size to take in consideration, because when Asia trending, you always come to the middle line before move up. Middle line, once again, middle line is very strong level for Asia. Also you have, yeah, the rejection block on the 4-hour. That's the level you are expecting to see the market retrace from. But the thing is, if the market swept the previous daily low, if the market swept the previous daily low, it come to that level, I'm not gonna sell from here, okay, because the strong liquidity is being taken for both sides. Strong high, the previous daily high and the previous daily low. The market soon swept the previous daily high, is going to be attracted to the previous daily low, and this happens when the market doesn't have anything to do else. So you can see in the market the previous daily high and previous daily low is never works like, no, is not something it works all the time, and that's every reason, okay, for that doesn't work all the time, okay. So most people still confuse that, because they have a previous daily low, a previous daily high, a previous daily low, and they only think, okay, if the market swept the previous daily high, it's come to the previous daily low, or if the market swept the previous daily low, come to the previous daily high. And that's a good thing to thinking, but this is not how it works, okay. So you have a lot of things you need to take in consideration. For example, if the Asia is trending, the previous daily high, it should be taken out at the same day, okay. So if if the market are bearish, you can expect the market come back to the previous daily high. So doesn't make sense. And all of that you need to take in consideration. So yeah, everything, the market just runs the same way. Is nothing different, to be honest. I don't see anything different. On the only thing is, if the BTC crypto is something you need to take cautions, because if someone like Elon Musk or people really have money, just buy something or sell something, you will see a big difference and nothing is gonna work, because that market is completely different from what you're doing here. But on crypto, yeah, you can mark some levels, some of them are gonna be respected, but if someone decide to buy or sell, let's see you have 1 million BTCs and you decide to sell, the market will react to that. So, and you never know who's gonna sell, who's gonna buy, so you never know. That's the only thing. But gold, yeah, you can the same. The only thing on gold, if something happen in the world, the gold is gonna respond more quickly, faster, and big time. That's the difference. All right, so you're gonna see this taken out, beautiful. That's where the market always do that when you have. Let's see if have any entry on there. But it was very early. Yeah, it was very early, so it was a nice move to the downside. Perfect. So now if the market respect the lows again, 1 second, where is that? School. Okay. If the market is gonna swap anyways, you can see that already happened. So this is going to be the decision point. If the market show a reversal here, it's going to be big. You need to wait again for structure, because it's dropped in one candle only. So let's see how the market's going to do in here. Well, nice move. Love it. Love it. So previous daily low being taken out as we speak. You have these levels here to take in consideration. You have this level and this level too to take in consideration. One is gone, you can take out. It's strong, and London is not even open yet. Good. Yeah, that's how this is good, because you can learn from it. And why that happened? Why? Because most of people trade SMC, ICT, whatever, will expect always as soon as the market, because some of them probably have Asia closed before. I don't know how they use is a different indicators on Asia, and as soon they see Asians taken out or break structure to the upside, they try to buy to take Asian high. And is not how that works. Yeah, previously a lot taken out, and this is now it works. Okay, you need to see the things happens, and this is just a trap. This order block that people trading from get a nice rejection here, and that's the trap. That's how we call trap, because that's how the market does every single time. It's no different. You just need to see and look for data, because it's always going to happen that way. The market going to give you a fake move before the real one. Always, always, always. Always do that. Okay. This taken out. We'll wait for this one to see how this one will play out, and the last one is gonna be this one. Okay, let's see on the daily. Great. It's too far. Great. It's not highs being created, no lows being taken out. So that's good. GU looks good. Let's see what's going on here. Nice move from great. The news NFP. Let's see the daily. Yeah, daily take out for a long time ago. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. Exactly at 2 o'clock in the morning. Great, so we're gonna take out. If the market swap this one, is gonna swap that one too. So let's see what GU is gonna doing. Okay, so great. You have a good range here, to be honest. Great. It doesn't tap into that yet. No. You might break a block. This one here, isn't it? Let's put K level. Because this happens on BTC. Actually, let's see. Look at how precise they was. Beautiful. Okay, so you have this streamline liquidity been swept already. Great. Taken out, it just marked the liquidities. It's gonna be this one. There's nothing here. So the market can just swap this one, or I believe it's gonna swap both, but for that happen on GU, Euro USD should drop a lot. Should drop a lot in probably that level. And if the market will keep doing that, what it should do is trying to sell as well. If the market is going to keep dropping, you need to catch the sell. Okay. No, nothing is gonna take in consideration on GU yet. 1 second, guys. Okay. Huh? Não sabe? Faz um café para mim, mano. Make one coffee for me. Sorry guys, I was talking to my wife. Yeah, I'm not gonna watch anything here unless this level's been taken out. I will take eyes on Euro USD. That's it, USD card. Yeah, it's pushing. Yeah, that's perfect. That was expected. Yeah, swap the liquidity, but move. Great. Gold. What's happened with gold? Let's take Asian out for hour to be clear. Okay. This one has been taken out. Wait, where they tap into? Open and close price. Let's see. Not yet. Not yet. It should tap at least here. Let's see. Because on the daily you can see the beauty. The beauty is here. Great. Let's put here just to be visible. Liquidity being swept, open and close price there, and you have a beautiful rejection block here as well. Look how beautiful it is. Great. So yeah, let's take these levels in consideration. If you see a reversal here, but make sure the market just tap into that level. Otherwise can happen, the same happens on Euro USD, on Asia, and I'm gonna show you. So the market gonna show you a nice moves, and then you get in and you get out, and then the market move. That's what happened on Asia, on Euro USD. The market gives you a break of structure, a nice move to the upside, you try to trade the order block and you get out. So the market swept now the previous daily low. Great. Still react to that level. Let's see what's gonna happen. And as soon as the market, I will trust more if the market taps into one of these levels, not just in the middle of these two levels. But if the market retrace and give a reversal here above the previous daily low, that's a sign for the market keep going up. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see what's gonna happen. Thank you. Como é que está o Lucas? Não está com febre ainda?
Mas eu vou deixar, não sei como é que ele não vou acordar ele para ver como é que ele tá. Tá ali em casa.
Ah, tá.
Se ficar molinho,
Mhm. Right. Okay, back again. Yeah, this is the level I'm gonna expect it to see. If the market give a reversal here on the 50 minutes, or I'm gonna trust more on the 30 minutes. If you respect one of these levels, is already been on this order block here and rejection block also. No, it don't tap into yet, but there we go. Let's see. I need to see structure before take a trade like this, because yeah, he can be, because he's still bullish anyways, but he still have levels just below that. You can take a trade like that, yeah, but it's gonna be quite risky. I don't want to do that. No, I don't want to do that, and it should be like this. You don't even tap into yet. So, but at this level, if the market give me a structure on the 50 minutes, something like this, then I can go with the market. Gonna target this liquidity here first, and then as they are bullish, I can leave a runner. If that makes sense, guys. Makes sense? Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So today I will be in 101 again, and as soon it's gonna be at 10 o'clock. Okay, wait, 10 o'clock, and after that I will be able to share something on the chat again. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If it that happen, let's see, let's take this out. So if you go to the daily or even the week, yeah, that's completely bullish. But what it can do is, if you go to the line chart, you will see the most recently breakout structure was here. So the market is bearish until swept this level again. Okay, and this one to confirm the bullishness again. So let's go to the daily to see if we can show you something better. So I believe the market will drop on gold around something like here. There you go. It's been swept, great. Or even here. This doesn't look much, but this weekly time frame is a lot of pips. It's a lot. 3,000 is a lot. So if you go to the 1 hour, delete the Asia to the make you confuse, and you already have the levels the market will be attracted to. Okay, so also when you see one of that levels being tapped in respect, you have a trend line liquidity to target. And yeah, just that. Probably you're gonna see a move again to the upside. You can take these levels in consideration. If you get a rejection, you can trade to the downside, the same way as the market have the most recently breakout structure to the downside on the weekly time frame. That's the important. So you can expect the market keep dropping. All right, so now the best levels you can take action or looking for any kind of entries is gonna be that level, it's gonna be that levels, because we have liquidity just here, these highs here. That's the levels you should looking at on gold to sell. Good morning. All right. On or EU, yeah, you will looking at these levels. Let's see what's gonna happen. Internal range liquidity being taken out, being on this range, so you can expect something to happen around here. And if it's that happen, you're gonna target first this liquidity and IPA, and then a runner for the continuation of the bullish, and it's going to be something around here. And if it keeps dropping, you will find a way to sell it. That's all. Because for this market to turn bearish, it should here, at least this low should be taken out. that low. At least that low should be taken out. And as you can see also, you have this beauty here. So I don't believe, yeah, it doesn't tap into yet. So if you have more true candles on the 4 hour, I believe this level is going to be swept, because that's where the people are interested to. But that's why you have this level as well, because when the market, it's very clear. Let's see. If the market is clear like this, and also like this, something like this, and you have this trend line, let's put this like this to be more easy. Let's see, the market is just like that, and you know the people are interesting to this level. You expect the market swept that level, and that's what happened most of the time. So what the market can do is don't tap into and move, because if the market can go below that level, is not gonna tap into that level, because a lot of people gonna make money from that level. So that's why on here you have this 1 hour order block. It doesn't tap into the level, it's above the level. So that's why you need to take this level in consideration. Yeah, so let's see what's gonna happen here. Just to let you know, if is that happen, I'm gonna be in. I'm gonna target this level here, right? Because you have this liquidity, also that's trend line. So yeah, all good. Yeah, so 8 o'clock, I need to take my kids to school. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoy it. The live is being recorded and we'll post later.